Okay, so the screen's going to be a little hard to look at here, but let's make it work. Okay, so there's a question in Chapter 7, and this is about doing some unit analysis. And this question, I admit, is a little on the difficult side to figure out. But let's see if we can walk through it. Okay, so we've got these two equations, right? Let's talk about C first. So equation C here, C equals 1.3t plus 34. Well, what does that mean? Okay, let's look at this. Well, it says that C, okay, the average monthly cost in dollars of cable TV per subscription can be modeled in this equation. Okay, so we're talking about cost per subscription. So that's what C is. Okay, so what does 1.3 here? This is the cost per subscription a year. So in other words, this is how much more you're paying every year. This is how much it's changing by. So it's going up by 1.3 every year. Time, that has a unit, it's just years. Okay? And this is just a cost per subscription. Okay? This is like the finance charge portion of it. That number is not going to change. It's not advancing. Okay? Now you've got this other equation, n. n equals negative 8t plus 65.5. Okay? And what it says here, this is talking about the number of cable TV subscribers in millions and can be modeled by this equation. Okay? So, in other words, n is the number of subscribers. Okay? This is how your subscribers are changing every year. So we're going down by 0.8 every year. Time is still years, and this is kind of the number of subscribers that you start with. So what we can do is we can do unit analysis. So I'm not going to even really look at the numbers because it's asking you to take these two expressions, and I admit it does not do a very good job of explaining that these two expressions are supposed to come from here. Okay? But what would happen if we multiplied these two things together? What would we end up with? Well, again, 1.3 right here. This is cost per subscription a year times years. Okay? So what happens to years? Well, we've got years over years. So they end up canceling out. Okay? So we have cost per subscriber plus cost per subscriber. Over here, remember we said this is the number of subscribers we have every year times the number of years. And again, years cancel out. So we have subscriber plus subscriber. So cost over subscriber plus cost over subscriber is just going to give us cost over subscribers. You know, the numbers change, but we don't care about the numbers. When you're doing unit analysis, you're not looking at the numbers, you're looking how the units would work. Yes, there would be more of whatever these numbers are, but we're just looking at the units. Over here, we have subscribers plus subscribers equals some number of subscribers. Okay. Most cases, we would have the actual number, and we could figure out what that number is, but we don't care about the numbers. We care that the units work. Now, when you're taking these two and you're multiplying them together, what happens? Okay, it's cost. That's what we're left with. And remember, in the original problem, we have cost in dollars, right? This is C, cost in dollars. And N is millions of subscribers, okay? We're always talking about millions of subscribers. So it's really your cost here, which is in dollars, times millions of. So this would be millions of dollars.